Okay, it's the 26th of September. It's a Thursday evening around 7:30. Just a quick update here. Still a hurricane, still pretty strong. A little bit further east than original, which is on par about the way things go. But it is affecting the coast, mainly strong from, I'd say, Tampa north. Below Tampa down here towards Fort Myers, is a lot of onshore high tides, um, and there's some strong winds there. But the strongest of this is going to be north, and this will come in up here where the panhandle kind of makes its turn down, and you'll see it come up, and there it is right there. This is around 11 o'clock this evening, and it comes on shore between 11 and say midnight, right around midnight, and then it works its way north. But still strong winds, even as it gets up towards Atlanta. Some very strong gusty winds, 90 to 100 mile an hour in spots as it comes north. Precipitation is going to be a whole different story with this, but if you're in Georgia, North Carolina, Tennessee, mountainous area, especially the Georgia, North Carolina, the upsloping against the Adirondacks there. We'll get drenching rains, flooding rains, um, high gusty winds, so a lot of power outages will be heard there, not just in Florida, but we're through Georgia as it moves north, but southern Adirondacks. Yeah, this is your radar. Tonight around 10 o'clock, this is your precipitation radar. You can see it come on shore in Pennsylvania. You can see we get some of the banding as it pushes its moisture in from the Atlantic. There's some overriding up here. There's an upper low back here. If you watched yesterday's weather, I explained how this storm goes into it, and almost like a black hole, the upper low is going to swallow it. And as you can see in Pennsylvania, that's why the moisture comes up into southern PA, just kind of dies out and fades away with just some residual left over early Saturday. This is tomorrow evening around 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, and you can see it comes up and then it just kind of goes up and then it fades away. This is around 11 o'clock. No, this is not. This is around 7 o'clock Friday night, and you can see the precipitation's kind of short-lived and goes out, and you can see it swirling around out here. It's just getting eaten up by the upper low, and that goes there. So Saturday and into Sunday may be cloudy with some sprinkles, but they won't be an all-out rain. And of course, the humidity is built up over Delaware, New Jersey, and Pennsylvania, and temperatures are not that hot, but they feel hot because of the humidity. It's soupy out there. This is 8 o'clock temperatures this evening. And as you can see overnight, um, see it cools down a little bit. Temperatures get into the 60s for the most part overnight. Um, it's still going to be muggy. And then as we get into tomorrow, let's see, let's bring this to tomorrow afternoon. Um, Here's tomorrow afternoon temperatures basically across all the states. Three states are in the 60s, maybe low 70s in southern Delaware. Some of the higher elevations probably stay in the upper 50s tomorrow, along with some showers and stuff that are moving through. And then Saturday afternoon, in case you want to make some plans, temperatures will try to rebound a little bit in the west as they get into the mid to 70s. But basically, the rest of the states in the 60s across the state, maybe some 70s along the southern area. In South Jersey and Delaware, you get into the 70s. If you're going to the Penn State football game, um, there you go. Temperatures will be in the lower 60s, middle 60s, and precipitation at game time, maybe a couple sprinkles and showers, but no all out rain. So, for the most part, you should be dry, and that will be going there. Okay, we're going to go do a live Facebook uh, on the 6th of October. Nope, the 5th. I'm sorry, the 5th of October, which is a Saturday. We're going to go live at 6 o'clock. So if you have any questions about the winter weather, that's going to be the topic. What we should expect this winter, and what not to expect this winter. But if you have any questions about your area, Feel free to come on, ask the questions, and I will answer them as I see them as quickly as I can. And we'll try to, do this for maybe 20 minutes or so, and depending on how many questions I get, we'll do that. So that will be October 5th, around 6 o'clock. All right, everybody take care. Talk to you soon.